What's up guys, this is Ronnie. Welcome back to our channel Total Technology. This is tutorial 70 and today's topic will be on start node and end node. Actually start node and end node is again these two are different clause, and by the name it is easier to understand that start node is definitely going to return the start node and end node is going to return the end node. So we'll explain the definition. Returns the first node of a relationship, and this is the start node, and end node is returns the end node of a relationship. So this is very simple. So now we'll be going to talk about the different use cases. So first thing is for the start node from Neo4j UI, and next thing is from Python ID. So without wasting much time, so let me open my Cypher console and we'll see if I have anything for the use case to use return n. We have something, but there is no relationship. So what I'll do, I'll try to create another node, create a employee. So let's give a name to this. So let's give John. Okay, so it's Bob. Name it is Ronnie and it is Bob. So we'll try to okay, now 3 nodes created, so we'll try to create some sort of relationship between them. So employee, and we'll give name equals to Ronnie, then B Bob, and probably C is John. So first match everything. Okay, and then what I'll do, we'll try to create relationship between them. A, let's say knows B, means Ronnie knows Bob, and let's say Bob will see Bob again knows John, C. Okay, so we'll try to create this thing. So it's created, we'll see what is available. So this is how it is. So Ronnie knows John, Bob, and Bob knows John. So this is our sample graph for the use case. So I'll just try to use this thing here. So insert picture from picture, this thing. Let's use it here. Okay, so now we'll try to find the start node and end node of a relationship. Okay, so we'll write match A, then or like this B. Okay, return start node, and now we'll use R. So let's see what is going to be returned. So it could be anything. It could be start node, could be this one and this one. So this is also a node from this direction to this direction. Let's see. Okay, see what we got Ronnie and Bob. So we'll go to the table. See, we got Ronnie and Bob. Why Ronnie and Bob? The reason is Ronnie is a start node for this thing, and Bob is also going to be a start node for this thing. So now why this is like this? Yes, oh sorry, I like this. So it came as a graph and it also came as a start format. Okay, so now what will happen, I will write down the same thing here. Okay, and try to implement the same thing from Python ID. It is also going to return the same thing. So q1 is going to be this, and we'll try to run the same query, and again the same thing, result equals to session dot run, and inside that we'll pass our query parameter, and now print list of the our result. Okay, so let's run this thing. See, one is Ronnie and next one will be definitely Bob. Okay, so this is done. We'll put it here. That's it. Okay, next thing, end node is going to return the end node of a relationship. So what I'll do, I'll just change it to end, caps or small, doesn't matter. So now what is going to happen, it is going to return Bob and John because these are the end node. Okay, right, Bob and John is returned. So we'll do this thing, and after that this thing. Even you can use your clause as well, where a dot name equals to Ronnie. So now in this case only Bob is going to be returned. See, only Bob is going to be returned. So you can use where clause as well, so there is no problem with where clause. Okay, so the next thing is with Python ID. So what is going to happen, so we'll use with the where clause, no need to do some other thing. So let's use Bob here. Okay, so John will be returned. Yes, John will be returned. So that's it, guys. This is very simple, but this is very important and essential things to know. So whenever you are developing some sort of navigation or a graph related application, mostly for path traversal or something similar to this, so that time end node and start node is very much important. So mostly all the social networking site or excuse me, social networking site or some of the automotive application like Uber or My Taxi uses this sort of algorithm over there. Definitely LinkedIn is the most common use case. If you can find, if you are able to find the new LinkedIn white paper on the implementation of the Neo4j, just go ahead and try to do this. I will try to find this thing. Probably it was there. I'm not sure whether still it is available, because I find it last year, and it was possible to get their implementation architecture or kind of idea what are the use case they are actually what are the use cases already implemented using Neo4j for LinkedIn. Okay, even Facebook uses Neo4j. Okay, so enough of talking, guys. That's all for today. Hope to see you in the next video. Till then, take care, goodbye. But before saying bye bye, I would like to say, guys, please subscribe to our channel. Those are watching the video for the first time, please go through the whole series of the Neo4j, and also watch out for other tutorial of the playlist as well. And if possible, try to let us know via some sort of feedback. If you have any complaint or suggestion, or if you want us to cover some other topic, you can feel free to write me via comment box or email or our Facebook page, and try to share our videos as much as possible with your family, friends, or your colleagues. So it will help us to definitely grow actually. So the more audience will reach, the more inspiration it is actually for us. So that's it, guys. Hope to see you in the next video. Till then, take care, goodbye, and have a nice